Good day, everyone. So we will have this YOLOv5 custom training for our topic 7. So this is the activity regarding to if you want to train YOLOv5, and we will use the Roboflow. This in this case, so Roboflow is have this data repository of this drone footage of example. We would like to check this out. It is a drone footage of a road where the labels here or the annotations here are different types of vehicles. So as you can see, we have annotations of example for bus, sedan, and other types of vehicles. And next would be we will use the repository from Ultralytics, the ones who created this YOLOv5, and we will install all of the requirements from this repository. So yeah, let's set up our environment. So we first clone the YOLOv5 from um, Ultralytics. Then we will install the required um, repositories, required modules. Okay, so when it is currently installing and then loading all of the necessary packages, and then we will wait for this one to um, download all of the necessary modules. And then it is already done, and we will check this files here. So we have the folder for this is from the repo, the GitHub of the Ultralytics. Okay, so right now we already have this folder, and we will load or download a dataset. So right now, in case you have your own custom dataset, you can use this one. No? You can, as long as the files here are or it is structured using the predefined way. No, some for this one, if you have images, it should have train and validation, and labels with train and validation. Though you can check this out in the Ultralytics repository regards on how to use the proper structure. So I think there are already some examples here. I think, okay. So, well, you can check the YOLOv5 Ultralytics. Though right now we will use the option B that we have. We will using the Roboflow dataset. So, well, there are many ways to use Roboflow. So, in this sample here is we will use the link with its API key, and we will download everything as long as there is an API key. So we will try to um, download the dataset. So just click the dataset here, then, and since we use the YOLO model, so once we click this one, it automatically predefined the type of annotation. So because there are types of annotation technique like in YOLO, so it the label should be it should have the bounding box coordinates and its classes. So right now, if you want to click this out, then click the download dataset, and we will use the show code download code if you want to use if you want to download the zip file, you can use this one. Then you will use the option A. You will upload it and try to unzip the file. But in our case, and I will use just the API key. So there are three ways. So if you want to install the Roboflow, then you will just use this one to download the data. Then you can use a terminal one like this one. This is what we've used here, this one. So, and you can use the raw one in this case here with the EP key. So, well, you can use this one. You just copy this one and paste it here. So, as you can see here, so this is the link with the EPK. Okay. And we direct it to a RoboFlow. When this is the we rename it to roboflow.zip. Then after downloading the zip, we will unzip it and put it on the content slash dataset. Okay, so if we run this one, so we will download every data that was in the dataset repository. So we will just wait. Okay, so it is done. Then we will okay, so what we have here, okay, so we have now the data set. So we have the test, the train, and the valid. So right now, since we already have downloaded the data set, so there are two ways, no, with regards to um using the file. So in case you just upload the data set, so you can use this one. Actually, they are the same. So actually they are the same. So um they are the same. Then you need to edit this one. Example here, as we all know that the data or the number of classes for this data here is 9. So there are 9 classes. So this one is the number of classes. So we need to add 9 here, and um we need to put the names of each classes in order. So as you can see, we can check this out here. Okay, where should we get those? I think there is in this data YAML here. If you click this one, and this one is the YAML file. Actually, you can copy this one and put this one to the um content YOLO5 folder here. So in this case, you will just put it in this folder. But right now, since we will try to create our own data.yaml or overflow.yaml in this case. So this is how to create the the data set or the configuration. So we have 9 number classes, then the number of this is the class names, and it should be in order. Okay, so right now, since we have already put this one, so it should be done here. Then this is where to train the model. So this cell here is we use the model YOLO5S model. Actually, we can use the other YOLOv5 variants like YOLOv5 Nano, YOLOv5 Medium. this one is YOLOv5 small architecture. So when it is already a good one for mobile devices or embedded systems, though if you want to have a better um, embedded system or mobile devices friendly architecture, so you can use the YOLO Nano. So, well, if you're using your devices like laptops or HP, when high performance computing server, so you can use the higher ones, no, higher architecture types. So right now, I just have to try a 10 epoch training of this exercise. Then you can, well, you can also increase this one. You can increase this one to 50 or 100 or thousands. Okay, so I'll just have to for just for demonstration. So I'll just have to use 10 epochs in this case. Okay, so by running this one, so we will check if there are sort of errors here. In case and there will be a display on 1 dB, so this is a ways and biases account. So in case you have that one, so this is just for displaying the graphs of this activity. So in this case, for now, I just have to remove this one. I not remove, so I don't visualize my results in this case. So in case you have 1 dB, so this one in this training, it just have it will display a one ways and biases visualization regarding this one. So right now, so we currently training the model in 10 epochs. So we just wait until the it reach 10 epochs. So right now we're on the epoch. I think it is epoch 1. So we'll just wait to finish this one. And afterwards, after this one is it will display this um, results here. So as you can see, it displays the accuracy, the validation loss, the box loss. So this one is for the IOU. So we have what else here? Precision and recall. So in this case, the precision is somewhat in 40%, just 10 epochs. So in training, so well, this one, we will want to check the okay train based on box loss, and where is the okay still the quality of training with 10 epochs is not that good. So if you want to check if it uh, if you want a greater accuracy or a good accuracy, so you need to increase the number of epochs. For the meantime, in the meantime, we'll just have 10 epochs for just for demonstration. So later on, you will try to use other data sets instead of this one using Roboflow because I already demonstrated on how you will download it using the link of this one in regards to what type of YOLO you want to use. So okay, right now I think it's already done. So what we have here is still in 10 epochs, the recall. So somewhat is it this is somewhat good, though the accuracy with regards to MAP is still poor. So you need to um increase the epochs, then retrain. So right now, this is just an demonstration. Okay, so right now, we need to redirect. We need to update this one since this one is there's no file in the directory. So there is a problem with the directory. So we will check the custom number. So right now we train, then it should be on runs. So where is it? Okay, this one, no, runs, then train. Then, okay, so YOLO V5 custom. So we will remove this one, number three. In case you want to retrain, obviously this one will be added another one. That's why there's a number at the end of the file name. So example here, if you rerun again, so YOLO V5 underscore custom one. So right now, since it is its first training, so let's try to load. So okay, so this is the graph of the training for 10 epochs. So still the accuracy is still poor. And well, so this is the results of that training. Then we will okay, so we will locate the model that was trained. So we will just remove this one because since it's custom, and this one is the stored best model for this for the training in 10 epochs. So right now we try to test the um the data using the valid images. So as you can see, there is a folder for the validation images. So we can check this one in the dataset folder. So we have this one, and we try the this number of, I think this is 20 images. So as you can see, we try to check, and then next is we try to check the folder of uh, in this case this one. So we will check where is the okay, so to check the results from this one from detect.py, so we will check the runs detect slash xp. So okay, and we will check the runs and detect and xp folder. So right now we will edit this one. So detect, this one is has number since I tried for four times of training this collaboratory notebook. So I'll just have to remove the number. So and we will try to check. Okay, so in 20 images, so this is the results. So okay, there are other misclassifications because obviously we only trained this model, the YOLO V5 small, with 10 epochs only. So if you want to have a greater accuracy with regards to this one, so you will just use just update the number of epochs. So right now this is the output of the or the tests or validation data set. So right now, guys, so if we try to use unseen data on this one, so I downloaded YouTube video regarding to drone footage of a BC road. So this is unseen data from the data set. So it is not it is the data inside of this video is you cannot see that in your data set. So that is called unseen data. So right now we already downloaded the data. So it is already in the YOLOv5 folder. So I think this one. So this is the folder. Then um we will use the its path using this one, and we try to use that folder. Okay, so there's a problem. So okay, so we have a problem here. So just remove the number three here because it um in our example here is it is YOLOv5 custom. So so in train folder, where is the train folder here? Okay, runs and train folder. Okay, YOLO5 custom. So let's try again. So let's wait for a while. Okay, so in the email in the video, so it has 345 frames. So as you can see, so this is the classifications. The number of detections of SUV in every frame, or in this case, the number of buses here. And then we will and let me check the end of this console. Okay, so the output of this one is on this directory runs detect xp3. So we need to check this one. Okay, so so this one has the data. Okay, we will check. Okay, xp3. So where is it? Okay, so there is it. This is the um this is the video file, but it has the boxes already, or the detections. So as you can see, if you when it is already exists, and we will convert this one, the video, into a readable MP4, because sometimes um the decoding of this one in and has problems. So we will try to re-encode this one. Okay, so we have a problem. Okay, so okay, this one, just update this one to 3 because it is XP3. Okay. And what else do we have problems here? I think okay, it, it is ongoing conversion here. So we'll just have to wait for a while for this one. So once it is done, so it will have this in our folder. Okay, what we have here is the converted output. So this there should be okay. This one converted output MP4. Okay, so since we already have this one, so we will try to load it here. Okay, so as you can see, we have um the result right now. So in 10 epoch still it performs. So as you can see, there are missing classifications here, and we need to um well, if you want to try to retrain this one, so just follow on what we are on what path should be updated here, or what will be the path of the new outputs of the training. Okay, so if you want to download the trained model or the PT file, so just use this one. So since it is in the custom runs string custom, since in this case you have number three, so since I already have 3 sessions of training this one, so just to check. So if you want to um run this one, then it will download the what will the best PT in this case. Okay, so that's it for this one. So I hope that you followed what I'm I'm doing here in this UWB5 custom training. So in case you have custom data set, so just use this one, just upload your zip file and make sure that the structure, you follow the structure of the Ultralytics. No? You can check the site regarding the proper format. So if you want to use the RoboFlow, make sure that you registered on this one and make sure to click the data set and choose the proper ones, no, or proper model because they have different annotation types or configurations with regards to models like sample YOLOv5, the YOLO family, of course. So it has a different annotation technique. And if you want to use the faster RCNN and other types, so example here, it has a different annotation technique because it is in JSON format, and the other one is um, I think that's in a text annotation or the text file in this case. So there are other types also in XML annotation format. So in this one, it is in on the text file and annotation type. Okay, and okay, so that's it for this laboratory exercise.